Hey, what's going on, dispatchers? This is your favorite freight dispatch trainer, Antoine West. And in today's video, I want to tell you guys how you can make $10,000 per month by being a freight dispatcher. So this is what you're going to have to do. This is what I did when I got into the industry, and this is what I recommend all my students to do. When you become a freight dispatcher, you need to look at the industry. Any business you get into, as an entrepreneur, you look into the industry and you see what everyone else is offering, and you offer that value plus a lot more. So you get ahead of the industry. So when I started freight dispatching, what I did, I started offering additional services. I started to have a truck driver recruiting program. I started having a fuel saving program. I did IFTA fuel taxes. I did oversized load permits. Anything that I could do for my owner operator, I did, and I manifested that into the industry. So now when you look at other freight dispatch businesses, everyone is offering additional services, but that was a manifestation of my own thought. So how I can help you get to $10,000 a month quickly is what I do is I do what I did the first time. I look at the industry, I see what is missing, and I only think about my business as I want it to be. I only think about the business that I want to have that offers more value than everything else that's in the market. So I don't care about the market. I don't care what it looks like already. What I do is I lead the market. I change the market by my own thoughts, because that's what makes the market. Our own thoughts and ideas make the market what it is today. So in freight dispatching or any business that you start, you need to offer more value than already is in the market, and then you'll attract clients to you, and you also attract cash flow. So to make $10,000 in freight dispatching, what you need to do, you need to get up to 4 owner operators. In trucking, a semi truck can make about $10,000 per week. If you're charging 8%, you're going to make $800. So off of each truck that you're dispatched for, you are going to make $800 with the correct training and knowledge. If you need training, make sure you go to my website, antoinewest.biz, or click the link on my profile for my free freight dispatch training. It's about an hour long. I suggest you go through all of that training today. Go through that hour-long training that's free today, and then enroll in some of my paid mentorship programs. And in my free training, you're going to know exactly why. I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know to become a freight dispatcher, and you're going to know what you need to carry that on to the next step. But to make $10,000 a month, you need 4 clients. You make $800 off of each client. That adds up to $3,200 a week, which adds up to $12,800 per month. So actually, dispatching only 4 trucks, you're going to be making over $10,000 per month. If you need anything, click the link on my profile or go to my website, antoinewest.biz.